Hello, kids! Let's learn A to Z together! Yay!
A for apple, A for apple, red and sweet.
Crunchy snack, a tasty treat. B for banana, B for banana, yellow and bright. Monkey's favorite, full of delight. C for cat, C for cat, soft and small. She says meow to one and all. D for dog, hen, D for dog, happy and fun. He loves to jump and loves to run. E for elephant, E for elephant, big and strong. With his trunk he sings along. F for fisher, F for fish, swims in the sea. Colorful and happy as can be. G for goat, G for goat, climbing high, eating grass beneath the sky. H for horse, H for horse, gallop away, running fast all through the day. I for ice cream, I for ice cream, cold and sweet, melts so quick, what a treat. J for jaguar, J for jaguar, fast and strong, leaping trees all day long. K for kite, K for kite, up so high, flying colors in the sky. L for lion, L for lion, king of all, hear his mighty jungle call. M for moon, M for moon, shining bright, twinkling stars say good night. N for nest, N for nest, in a tree, home for birds, 1, 2, 3. O for octopus, O for octopus, 8 arms wide, swimming through the ocean tide. P for parrot, P for parrot, colors bright, talking, singing with delight. Q for queen, Q for queen, so kind and fair, waves her hand up in the air. R for rabbit, R for rabbit, hops so fast, in the garden having a blast. S for snake, S for snake, long and slim, he likes to dance and likes to swim. T for tiger, T for tiger, strong and proud, roars so loud, wow, that's loud. U for umbrella, U for umbrella, keeps us dry when the rain falls from the sky. V for volcano, V for volcano, hot and bright, lava glowing in the night. W for whale, W for whale, swim so deep in the ocean, big and sweet. X for xylophone, X for xylophone, play the tune, happy sounds all afternoon. Y for yak, furry and tall, lives in mountains cold and all. Z for zebra, Z for zebra, black and white, stripes that shine, what